Hey everyone, welcome to Quiz Ramp Up. Get ready for an awesome trivia challenge that will test your knowledge on everything from science to pop culture. Let's see how many you can get right. Here's how to play. I'll ask you fun trivia questions. You'll have 5 seconds to pick the best answer from 4 options. Keep track of your score and challenge your friends to beat it. Ready? Let's go. Question 1. Which is the largest ocean on Earth? You have 5 seconds, starting now. The answer is Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean covers more than 30% of the Earth's surface. Did you get it right? Question 2. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere to make food? Your 5 seconds start now. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Plants use carbon dioxide during photosynthesis to make food and release oxygen. Question 3. Which ancient civilization built the pyramids? Think fast. Your time starts now. The correct answer is the Egyptians. The Great Pyramid of Giza is over 4,500 years old. Question 4. What is the fastest land animal? 5 seconds begin now. The correct answer is the cheetah. It can reach speeds of up to 75 miles per hour in short bursts. Question 5. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? Your 5 seconds start now. The correct answer is William Shakespeare. He wrote this famous tragedy in the late 16th century. Question 6. Which instrument has black and white keys? 5 seconds. Go! The correct answer is the piano. A standard piano has 88 keys. Question 7. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Your 5 seconds begin now. The correct answer is Mars. It appears red because of iron oxide, also known as rust, on its surface. Question 8. Which sport uses a racket and a shuttlecock? Time starts now. The correct answer is badminton. It is one of the fastest racket sports in the world. Question 9. What is the capital city of Japan? You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is Tokyo. It is the world's most populous metropolitan area. Question 10. What does Wi-Fi stand for? Your time starts now. The correct answer is wireless fidelity. It allows devices to connect to the internet wirelessly. Question 11. Which country is famous for pizza? 5 seconds begin now. The correct answer is Italy. Pizza originated in Naples during the 18th century. Question 12. Which of these is a type of evergreen tree? Your time starts now. The correct answer is pine. Evergreen trees keep their leaves all year round. Question 13. Which language has the most native speakers in the world? 5 seconds. Go! The correct answer is Mandarin Chinese. It has more than 900 million native speakers. Question 14. Who invented the telephone? Your 5 seconds begin now. The correct answer is Alexander Graham Bell. He received the first United States patent for the telephone in 1876. Question 15. Which animated movie features Elsa with ice powers? 5 seconds start now. The correct answer is Frozen. This Disney movie became a worldwide hit after its release in 2013. Question 16. What causes day and night on Earth? Your time starts now. The correct answer is Earth's rotation on its axis. One full rotation takes about 24 hours. Question 17. Where is the Eiffel Tower located? 5 seconds begin now. The correct answer is Paris. The Eiffel Tower was built for the 1889 World's Fair. Question 18. What is 7 multiplied by 8? Your 5 seconds start now. The correct answer is 56. A classic multiplication fact. Question 19. In Greek mythology, who is the king of the gods? Time starts now. The correct answer is Zeus. He ruled Mount Olympus and controlled the sky and thunder. Question 20. Which mammal is known to have the longest lifespan? 5 seconds begin now. The correct answer is the bowhead whale. These incredible creatures can live for more than 200 years. Final question. Which country's flag has a red maple leaf in the center? Your final 5 seconds start now. The correct answer is Canada. The famous maple leaf flag was officially adopted in 1965. That's it. Great job. How many questions did you answer correctly? Share your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Quiz Ramp Up, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new challenge. Thanks for playing, and I'll see you in the next quiz.